The not accepting calls at this time message on Cricket Wireless typically means the person you're calling has call blocking or do not disturb DND enabled. It's not usually a network issue. The message is a standard response when a call can't connect due to these settings. Less commonly, it could be a temporary carrier level restriction due to an unpaid bill or service suspension on their account. As of now, in late 2025, Cricket Wireless uses its app to handle most settings regarding these features. Understanding that this is usually a user-controlled setting is the first step in troubleshooting the issue. When you encounter the not accepting calls message on Cricket Wireless, the issue is usually on the receiver's end. Start by politely asking if they've accidentally blocked your number or enabled Do Not Disturb. If they're unsure about their settings, suggest they check the Blocked Numbers section in the Cricket app or their phone's settings. This can help identify if your number was accidentally blocked. For Do Not Disturb mode, they should review their Android or iOS settings. It might be enabled through bedtime mode or other automation features. If account suspension is suspected due to unpaid balances or other issues, advise them to check their account status through the My Cricket app or contact Cricket support directly. If the problem continues, have them clear the cache on the Cricket app. This can resolve glitches from recent updates and restore normal functionality.